Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to reset your YNAB forgotten password. If you've forgotten your password for logging into YNAB account, then the process is quite easy. You can easily reset to the new password. To do so, first open the YNAB application, and soon after it launches open, you will come across the login area. To log into your account, you can enter your email and password. If you don't remember your password, simply tap on Forgot Password link. Enter your email address that is associated with YNAB on the next page and click on Send Reset Instructions. You will now receive an instruction to reset your password via your email inbox. Open your email service provider's inbox and make sure you check all of the boxes. Now you'll receive an instruction to reset your password. Go ahead and open the email and follow through the instructions. You will then get to create a new password for YNAB account. So that is how you will be able to change your YNAB account's password if you've forgotten it during logging in. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.